spices that will help make you well. Fennel used to treat bloating, cramps, and gas. Fennel, with its distinctive licorice-like flavor, is a versatile plant. Both the crunchy bulb and the seeds are widely used in cooking and traditional medicine. It's particularly valued for its ability to alleviate digestive problems such as bloating, cramps, and gas. Health benefits of fennel. 1. Digestive health. Fennel is excellent for digestive health. It can help relax the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, reducing gas, bloating, and stomach cramps. This makes it a popular remedy in traditional medicine for treating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and other digestive discomforts. 2. Antispasmodic effects. The anethole in fennel seeds is known for its antispasmodic qualities, which can help soothe muscle spasms, including those in the digestive tract. 3. Diuretic properties. Fennel has mild diuretic properties, which helps increase the amount of water and salt expelled from the body as urine. This quality can help with detoxification and may reduce bloating. 4. Antioxidant properties. Fennel seeds are rich in powerful antioxidants like vitamin C, quercetin, and camphorol, which help protect against oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 5. Hormonal balance. Fennel is thought to have phytoestrogenic properties, which can help manage menopausal symptoms by mimicking the effects of estrogen in the body. It's also used to help regulate menstrual cycles and relieve PMS symptoms. How to use fennel. Culinary uses. The bulb, fronds, and seeds of fennel can be used in cooking. The bulb can be sliced and added to salads, braised, or grilled. Fennel seeds are often used in seasoning, in teas, and for pickling. Tea. Fennel tea, made from crushed or whole fennel seeds, is a common home remedy for digestive issues. It can also be consumed for its calming effects and to reduce menstrual cramps. Supplements. Fennel is available in capsule or extract form, which can be used for more concentrated health benefits, particularly for digestive health. Considerations. Allergies. While rare, some people may be allergic to fennel. Symptoms can include hives, itching, or swelling. Medication interactions. Fennel may interact with certain medications, including antibiotics and hormone-based medications. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider if you're taking medication and wish to use fennel therapeutically. Pregnancy and nursing. While fennel is generally considered safe in food amounts, the use of medicinal amounts during pregnancy is not well studied. It's best to consult with a healthcare provider before using fennel as a supplement during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Fennel's multifaceted benefits, especially for digestive and hormonal health, make it a valuable addition to the diet. Whether used in culinary creations, brewed as tea, or taken as a supplement, fennel can offer natural relief from a variety of symptoms. However, like any supplement or herbal remedy, it's wise to consult a healthcare provider before beginning any new treatment, especially for those with existing health conditions or concerns. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the Good Life with Spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our website at www.orangeblackmuseum.com.